She is a liar and a cheater ni maneno kutokea kwa mkewe mwimbaji wa nyimbo za Mugithi ambaye ni mkewe wa kwanza Samuel Mushoki aka Samido, Edday Nderitu. Edday amefunguka mengi kuhusiana na yale ambayo anayapost kwenye ukurasa wa kijamii ambaye ni mke mwenza ama mkewe Samido wa pili Nyamu ambaye ni seneta katika serikali ya muungano wa Kenya Kwanza. Nyamu is a liar. Edday Nderitu comes out denying that Nyamu used to give her tenders. Edday Nderitu recently expressed her gratitude to those who supported her during the Thanksgiving celebrations in the United States. Amid the festivities, Edday's best friend, Barney Saron, came to her defense when a fan suggested that Edday had caused the head of her struggled marriage. Additionally, another fan alluded to a previous statement made by Nyamu claiming she had assisted Edday with tenders. Edday quickly dismissed these allegations, labeling Nyamu as a compulsive liar. During the Thanksgiving celebrations, Edday Nderitu took a moment to express her gratitude to those who have supported her throughout her journey. However, amidst the joyous occasion, false accusations regarding the head of Edday's marriage and claims of assistance from Nyamu surfaced. Edday's best friend, Barney, fiercely defended her against these damaging rumors. Barney wasted no time in shutting down a fan who suggested that Edday was responsible for his struggled husband's departure. Barney's swift response showcased the deep bond she shares with Edday, emphasizing her unwavering loyalty and support. In another instance, a fan alluded to Nyamu's previous remarks about allegedly helping Edday secure business tenders from the government. Edday was quick to rebuff these claims, labeling a habitual liar. She firmly asserted that she had never received any assistance from Nyamu and questioned the credibility of her statement. Edday's candid response shines light on a genuine character and unwavering commitment to the truth. She refused to let baseless accusations tarnish her reputation, exposing Nyamu's decent nature. What is your view on this? Now, quoting a publication from Tuko News, or tuko.co.ke, they say 99% of what she talks is lies, Edday Nderitu said of Karen. A fan questioned Edday about one of Nyamu's statements where she claimed to have helped her with tenders. Edday tore into Samido's bay, noting that fans needed to know the truth. She decided not to leave any prisoners in a outburst, and Nyamu was a victim of Edday's anger. For now, these are among the trending stories in the country. What is your take in regards to Edday Nderitu's expose of Nyamu as an habitual liar? Leave your comment on the comment section. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE.